Hey, how's it going, guys? Spencer here, and today I've got an awesome product to show you. It is the Ion TAPE2PC USB conversion system. Not only is it going to let you convert your tapes onto your PC in a digital format, but it will also let you connect this to your already existing sound system. All you need is the red and white cable. Just plug it in and put in a tape and you can listen to it like that. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. On the rear plate, you've got a few things. You've got your gain adjustment. You can put it at the maximum or the minimum using the knob. Then you've got your USB jack for connecting it to your PC. And then you've got a record input for recording onto tape if you wanted to transfer from a CD or from any audio device. And then you've got your play or output that's going to be used for playing back your tapes, generally with a sound system. But you can connect this to just about any speaker as long as you've got the proper adapter. On the front of it, you've got a very basic design. You've got your clicking power button, and then you've got all of your tape controls, noise reduction, you can have that on or off, and then the record level adjustment, you'd want to set that to where it just barely goes into the red on the meter above. And then you've got your deck B counter reset, and it shows you where it's at in the tape. Then you've got a couple of different options right here. You've got Play CR02, that's going to be for playing back certain types of tapes. Dubbing and high-speed dubbing, those are both for recording your tape onto another tape. And then you've got Record CR02 if you want to record onto a different kind of tape. And then you've got all of your Deck B record and play options. So just to quickly demo it for you, we're just going to plug in the power. We aren't going to plug in any audio due to copyright issues. So I'm just going to show you without audio how to use this device. So plug in the power cord and then put in your tape. And then you can play, fast forward, and stop it. That was everything you need to know about this nifty dual cassette deck player and recorder. It is a later model, so it's going to be a lot more modern. If you're going to get one of these, make sure you get it from us at SpenCertified.com, and you can order online or over the phone. Thanks for watching, and if you liked this video, please leave a like and subscribe.